Industrial rubber company manufacturing solid tire. The vehicle in the image is a Bobcat skid steer loader. Solid cushion tires such as our skid steer tires. We offer the most complete range of flat-proof skid steer tires on the market. For over 20 years, Industrial Rubber Company has been the leading innovator in the construction machinery solid tire industry. Industrial Rubber Company also offers the most comprehensive range of skid loader tires. This is our most versatile and best-selling industrial rubber company. The deep tread design will give you superior traction on the vast majority of off-road conditions and terrains. Our exclusive aperture design gives you a cushioned ride without the bounce. Most of all, you can do the work without being concerned with flats or extensive tire damage. This tire is by far the best bang for your buck. These features give a smoother ride on hard surfaces while still providing great traction while working off-road.